Hey guys, today I'm gonna go through the pronouns English and Somali. Are you ready? Let's read together. So in Somali we say maga uyalo, maga uyalo. In English we say pronouns. So I'm gonna do in English on the left side and Somali on the right side. Okay. So in English we say I in Somali we say Aniga, Aniga. You, Adiga, Adiga. We, no, sorry. He, Asaga, Asaga. She, Iyada. They, Ayaga. We, Anaga. You, Adinka. I'm gonna say one more time, guys. Okay. So today I'm gonna do pronouns Somali and English. In Somali we say magacuyalo. In English we say pronouns. Okay. In English we say I. In Somali we say Aniga, Aniga. In English we say you, Adiga, Adiga. He, Asaga. She, Iyada, Iyada. They, Ayaga, Ayaga. We, Anaga, Anaga. You, Adiga, Adiga. No, you, Adinka, sorry. You is Adinka. Because you at the moment it become plural, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoy it and use it everyday English. And pronouns is very important. It differentiates. Okay? What can I say, guys? If you want to know more Somali language, I've done a couple of more videos. Please do check in the description below or the playlist. You see a lot of. If you want to speak Somali language in one week, you can do it if you follow my method. Okay, guys. So most of the people, 90% who watch my videos, some of them might not subscribe. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Is it on the left or the right? You decided.